Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install League of Legends on a MacBook Air. And to do this we'll need to open our Safari browser and then find the search engine that we want to use. In this case let's go for Google. Now in the search enter League of Legends. You can open a first link, make sure that it's their official website, and then click on play now. Here you can sign into your account, or if you're already registered, just click on download. Download for Mac. Allow. Now you can see the download progress right here. When it's ready, click on this icon. Allow to open. And install the game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.